want you to be honest with me, because I'm not going to stand here and listen to nonsense. Because I know, right now, you are tired of working to survive. Am I correct? Yes. And for those of you who did not answer, I would like you to reflect on this subject. Right now, I have money in my hands. So, what is money? What is your definition of money? Anyone?
So just how we value products.
Okay. It's a medium of exchange, and of course, we're exchanging value. Survival, we work to survive. Every day, we try to survive. This is a coping mechanism. This is not living. Why? What is survival? Anyone? Survival is?
Making a day-to-day.
Yes. It is actually living in spite of the difficulties. Why are we putting up with this? When are we going to live? Ladies and gentlemen, what if someone gives all of us meaning everyone on earth, and every human on earth, in the Philippines, in India, in Ecuador, everywhere, $3,000 a month for not doing anything. And on top of that, we're going to give you more for working. How would that change your life? Anyone?
It's not going to change anything.
It's not going to change anything. Okay, I thought so too. But let me make that practical for you. Here's your $3,000. All right? Just keep it there. Let it sit there. I'll get it later.
Sure.
And please pass it around. So these $3,000 will solve your basic necessities, and you will get your basic necessities to survive every month. So you're going to receive $3,000 a month. Now, is this possible, or is this just in theory? Now, can anyone tell me, is this possible?
It is possible.
It is possible. Why?
Switzerland are already did it.
We have so much money on earth. Guess who's having this money?
Celebrities.
Celebrities. All right? And guess who wants to be celebrities? We do. So, in other words, we are content of coping. We are not really wanting to change anything. But we say we do. But how? How do we change it? How do we change things in our lives? We give people charity. I earn this much, I'm going to give you a little bit. And guess what? I get an award for that, you see. And now I'm famous. I received $20 billion. I give about $1 million to charity. What will you say?
You are a kind of great person.
Thank you. Yes. So, we cover up the coping. And so we cover up that difficulty that we are experiencing in our daily life. Ladies and gentlemen, this is very possible for us to get $3,000 a month, each of us. And for those people, like the ones in the Philippines, who does not even eat 3 times a day, and those in India and other parts of the world, this will be a big change. For us, who has a little bit of money to survive and get the basic necessities, it will not really mean that much. Just as you said, it will not change it a lot. But what is going on? on earth is that we are just working for our self-interest. We're not looking at what is best for all of us. Why is it important to look at what is best for all of us? This for me is the biggest and this is the best gift I can give humanity. If I am in a position to give this to humanity, this is the thing that I will give humanity. How? The corporations, let's say for example, the corporations getting water from the earth. The earth gave water to everyone. The corporation gets it and then spends and earn money from it. What happens to the rest of us? We don't have much money to survive. So it's very easy, really. We get a little bit from what the corporation earns because that's basically ours. It is given to us by the earth equally. So why are we putting up with this? Because we are not living. We do not even see what life is about. Life has been defined between life and fear of death. That's not life. Life is the alignment of everything that we do to what is best for each of you and me, each of all of us. Because we have to align to what? To how the earth expresses itself, because that is who we are. Who we are, who are we? We are all here, plants, animals, and humans, on earth, sharing this one life. And so what is commonsensical for us to do? Compete and make money out of sports competitions. Or beauty competitions. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a look and let's wake up. Because if we do not do that which is best for all of us, and we get into competition, this world is going to self-destruct. And guess who's going to be affected? You and me. And so, to give the best gift for humanity, I will support giving everyone enough money to pay for the basic necessities of life. Why? Because then you can enjoy life. Without that, you're coping. And when you're coping and smiling, there's something wrong. Because you haven't really looked at the meaning of survival and the meaning of living.